Hey fellas, your hips are shutting down and you don't even know it. I got a message last week from a man, Ray. He's 53, a pharmacist, and he has a problem, which is just getting up off the floor when he's like, playing around with his grandson. He has to use a couch to get up now. And of course, his wife is looking at him like, you losing that, that extra step. And that's where he realized things are not going well. And, we talked, and I'm gonna tell you what I told him and how to deal with this situation, not only on the physical side, but also how it affects you in the bedroom. Plus, I got a test at the end from Coach Dan John, who has this test on how to figure out where exactly you are and how to get better. Because the truth is, most men can't pass this test, but you need to know where you are so you can get better. Because what is happening to you is that you're sitting down for most of the day and your body is conforming to that chair. Your hip flexors are tightening. Every hour you're sitting there is just getting tighter and tighter over the years. And that's when you run into problems because your hips are going to start locking up, which means it's going to overload your back, it's going to overload your knees, and you're just going to have those problems. Plus, you're literally cutting yourself in half with your middle, being your middle, your pelvic area is not getting the blood flow it needs, and you're not getting the results you want in the bedroom. A lot of guys think this is age, but no, it's what you're doing. Your hips forgot how to move correctly, and we're going to fix that right now. And hey, my name is Brian, aka Uncle B, and for the last 25 years, I've been helping guys 40 and older deal with sexual health issues and their physical issues. So if you want to get your physical and sexual health together, hey, we got you. I've seen guys 55, 60, 70, where they have things together and they're all using this method one way or another. And what we're talking about is the kettlebell, goblet squat. And I'm gonna tell you why it's different from every squat you've ever done. You start by holding that kettlebell right here by the horns close to your chest and just lower head. That becomes a front-loaded weight, and it makes a difference in two things automatically. It forces your torso to be upright so your lower back is protected, and it pulls your hips open so your knees can go deeper without the pain. So it's pretty simple. You want your feet just outside shoulder width. You want your toes pointed out slightly. Hold that kettlebell close to your chest, and from there, basically just sit down like you were going to sit down into a chair. Now you want your elbows to drop inside of your knees, and you want your knees to push out. Importantly, your heels stay flat. And from there, you just go as deep as you can and then come back up, stand right back up. You want to make sure you're driving through your heels as you stand up. Now, three things I want to make sure you get right. One is that your heels are glued to the floor. If your heels come up, you're putting force on your knees where you don't need it, and you'll be in the orthopedics office. Two, you want your chest to stay up because that kettlebell is your counterbalance. Use it that way. Otherwise, your torso is going to fold forward and you're going to have a hernia. And three, really importantly, you want to squeeze your glutes at the top, and that's because it's going to give you more hip extension. And importantly, it actually helps activate more testosterone. That's a signal sending to the rest of your body, activate more testosterone. That lockout is where all the performance benefits live. So this squat reverses three things that happens when you're sitting at the desk. It opens your hip flexors and it fires your glutes so you have that full range of motion. It forces your core to stabilize and balance. We're talking about your abs, your obliques, your deep stabilizers. That's going to build the strength up that's going to protect your back. And deep squatting under load is going to protect your pelvic region. So if you're 200 pounds, we're talking about a 100-pound goblet. You could also rack, just put it like this, a kettlebell, and do two of them if you need more weight like that. A little bit more advanced, but you want to do this 25 times. If you can take half your body weight, you can do a goblet squat 25 times. Hey, you're in the top 1% of men over 40 because a lot of guys can't do this. And that's the whole point. If you can't do it, all you have to do is just start the process and you'll be consistent and you'll get there quickly. Because the thing to think about is every week, every hour that you're sitting there, this process of your hips getting tighter is going to affect your bedroom performance, your back, your knees, all types of things down the road. Take care of it now. And here's how to start. I don't want you to go too heavy to begin with. We just need for you to get used to the motions. So if you're just going to take a 15 or 25 pound, like I got, and you just want to go start with a weight that you can manage easily, and you want to do 15 goblet squats, 3 sets with 1 minute in between. That simple. Do that over 30 days and you will be amazed at the results that you get. It's just about the consistency, guys. In fact, do me a favor and drop your age and how many sets can you do or do you think you can do? Can you get all 25 with the right weight? Let me know. So what you have is the setup. You have that exercise that's going to get you your testosterone right, your body right. And if you need some help, yeah, we have Duke of Herbs. Yes. You can get your own personalized pack, get your name on there, get the supplements that you need, the days that you have of it, and yeah, get the right supplements. You can go to dukeofherbs.shop and there you can take the assessment and figure out exactly what supplements you need. And oh, by the way, this is part 2. We're talking about the kettlebells from last week where you started with the kettlebell swing. Now we have the goblet squat. Next week, we're going to be talking about a kettlebell movement that is going to work your entire body. And yes, it's one of the most powerful movements you can do. Most guys haven't tried this, but you're going to feel it everywhere. One of the things that you'll realize is like my man Ray, who started doing this, who took this challenge on, he's now able to get up off the floor without a problem at all. And yes, it shows up in the bedroom as well. Testosterone with more muscles to do something with it. So what I want you to do is go ahead and get started. Picture yourself in 30 days where you will be. Get to work, man. Hey, this is Uncle B saying get your game up and go hard. Peace out.